Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Ile Notre-Dame, Quebec, is a beautiful man-made island right in the heart of the St. Lawrence River, near Montreal. This island, along with its neighboring Ile Sainte-Helene, forms Parc Jean Drapeau, one of Montreal's most popular outdoor spots. Ile Notre-Dame was built in 1965 for Expo 67, a huge world fair. They used rocks dug up while building Montreal's metro system to create it, and the island became a central part of the exhibition, where over 60 countries showcased unique pavilions. Some of these expo buildings remain, like the Montreal Casino, which was once the pavilions of France and Quebec. After Expo 67, Ile Notre-Dame continued to be a lively place. During the 1976 Olympics, a long rowing basin was added, still the biggest artificial rowing basin in North America today. In the summer, this basin draws rowers and canoeists, while in the winter, it turns into an ice skating rink. The island also has the Circuit Gilles Villeneuve, a famous Formula One racetrack, where the Canadian Grand Prix takes place. When races aren't happening, people can bike, walk, or rollerblade on this smooth, scenic track. Another popular summer spot is the Jean d'Or Beach, where people come to swim, relax, and enjoy the sun by an inland lake. Thanks to the park's gardens and peaceful paths, Ile Notre-Dame has become a green oasis, with beautiful plants that give it a natural look. The island even hosted an international flower competition in 1980, adding colorful floral displays that visitors can enjoy all summer. So, whether you're here for a walk, a bike ride, some beach time, or to see a Formula One race, Ile Notre-Dame has something special for everyone.
Thanks for watching!